I am finally halfway in. I can't believe it's 6 weeks already. How time flies. Time really does fly. This week was also a lot, but like a lot of fun rather than a lot of stress. We had a lot of fun during our FIB week, dressing up, having fun, parties and all. That was extremely fun. Those are the parts of school that I enjoyed. So I just trying to enjoy the final days as an undergraduate, and it was fun. I'm happy I was able to participate in every single one. That's like a plus. Today is denim on denim. I don't know if you can see my feet, but that's what we're having today, and I'll be leaving soon. Other than that, of course, there's a reason we are doing this. Embedded systems, French, and school. I am focusing more on school this week because we haven't had power supply for like a few days now. So my PC is kinda dead. And no PC, no embedded systems. So I took a pause on that. But for French, I can't fully concentrate on studying French right now. I have exams next week. So I have to study. I started studying a little too late. I focused a lot more on studying, and for French, I decided to just do, small things to keep me up to date with the language, which is like listening to podcasts, music, and TikToks that are in French. So for that, and I had to studying, because I can't, like I said, I can't fail this semester. There's no next semester to redo anything. We are not redoing anything. So that's majorly all about my week. It was all fun and also discipline. Staying focused, staying consistent, which is the whole point of everything. Stay consistent. If you also have something you want to stay consistent on, you can spend the next 6 weeks with me and do a little of it every single day or every single week, just like I am. So see you next week. Bye.